Hi there, Viridian Art here. We are going to make a fun dot project. You're going to need a square piece of paper. I'm going to be using watercolors and oil pastels for my project, but you can use any type of paint that you have for the first step of this project, and then use oil pastels, crayons, markers, color pencils can be used on top. If you don't have paint, that's fine. You can start with crayon or pastel and then work over it with another medium. So let's get started. I'm going to pick either warm colors or cool colors. So warm colors would be colors that are closer to reds, oranges, yellows on the color wheel. Pinks are included in that. Cool colors will be more of the blues, greens, purples. So I'm going to do cool colors for my dot project. I'm going to start right in the center of my paper with a circle. And this is right in the middle. I'm going to wipe off my brush, clean it in the water. So every time I'm wiping off my brush first to get all the paint off and then clean it in the water so your water stays nice and clean. I'm going to switch to a new color. Every time I put a color on here, I'm just going to wait a moment just to make sure the color before gets a chance to dry before I add a new color on. So I want to circle around my dot. And you can go as thick with your paint or as skinny as you want with the size of the dot that you are circling around. I'm going to wipe off my brush, rinse, and switch to another cool color. I'm just going to keep repeating that layer as my circle gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Now that we have our painting part done and I have this radiating dot going bigger and bigger, as big as my paper, I'm going to now switch to some oil pastels. So you have to make sure that your paint is dry when you do this step. You can choose any colors that you would like. Crayons, oil pastels, color pencils will all work for this step, even markers. I'm going to start in each section creating a pattern that just repeats through that whole section. You can use any colors, go in any order that you would like. Just creating different patterns for every section. So that's it for our dot project. You are welcome to keep on adding textures and colors into your dot as much as you'd like. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson and see you guys next time. Bye everyone!